In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change language on YouTube. If your YouTube interface isn't in the language you prefer, or you want to browse in another language for practice or accessibility, this quick adjustment on the desktop website will make everything more comfortable to navigate. Start by opening YouTube in your desktop web browser. You can use any modern browser, and going directly to the YouTube homepage is all you need. Make sure you are on the desktop site rather than a minimized or mobile view so the menu locations match what I am describing. Once the page loads, move your attention to the top right corner of the screen. Click your profile picture. If you are signed in, this will be your avatar. If you are not signed in, you'll still see a circular user icon in that same spot. Either way, that icon opens the main account menu for quick settings. In the menu that appears, look for the option labeled Language or Display Language. Depending on your current interface language, the word itself might be shown in that language. And sometimes YouTube uses a small globe icon to make it easy to recognize. If the site is in a language you don't read, rely on that globe symbol or the position of the item in the list. The language setting typically sits among other basic preferences. So take a moment to scan carefully. Click Language or Display Language to open the full list of available languages. YouTube supports a wide range, so you should find the one you need. Scroll through the list and select your desired language. As soon as you click it, the interface will update. Menu items, buttons, and labels across the site will switch to the language you chose, making navigation clearer and more intuitive. A couple of quick tips to keep in mind. This setting changes the YouTube interface language in your current browser. It doesn't translate the audio of videos. And it won't change closed captions unless you select captions within the video player. Also, because this preference is tied to your browser session and often your account, you might need to repeat the change on other devices or browsers if you use multiple setups. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.